This lesson is 12.4. It's on using customary units of liquid volume. To start this out, we're going to draw a gallon bot to help us visualize what it looks like. So first, we have, let me change my color. We have a gallon, and we're going to label it just G, is fine. And how many quarts make a gallon?
4 quarts equal a gallon.
How many?
4.
4 quarts. So I write Q, 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 and Q. Okay, so now what's after the quarts?
8 pints equal
Pints. How many pints equal a gallon?
8 pints equal a gallon.
Okay, write your pints in. I know, you're so excited to sing. Pints, pints. Pint, 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 pint. Pint, 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 pint. Okay, how many cups in a gallon? 16 cups in a gallon. I'm going to just write down here so it doesn't cross into my other paper. So there are 2 cups in 1 pint. Okay, so this is a cup, 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 cup. How many ounces in a cup? Everybody. 8. So I'm going to write 8 ounces equals 1 cup at the bottom so I can remember too. This will help me with my whole assignment. I just have to draw my gallon bot one time and it will help me with my whole assignment. Okay. Alright, so very first it says for numbers 1 through 7 to just complete. So very first I think, how many pints are in a quart? Well, all I have to do is look over here. How many pints were in a quart? Let's look over here. How many pints are in a quart? 1, 2. So I do 2 times 12. 2 times 12 is what?
24.
24. So this should be, I'm going to change the color on this. So this is 1 pint. This is a pint, and then we got into the cups. Cup, 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 cup. Okay, number 4. How many cups are in a pint? I just have to look over here. 1, 2, and a pint. So 2 times 9 is what, everybody?
18.
18. And this was 24. Let's look at numbers 8 through 13. It says compare using less than, greater, or equal. Still have to show your work. It's not that hard, though. So how many ounces are in 6 pints? We just have to convert it to what first? So first of all, we need to find out how many ounces are in a cup. So how many ounces are in a cup?
8.
8 ounces in a cup. So let's do times 8, so 6 times 8. And then how many cups are in a pint? How many cups are in a pint? Let's look over here. 2. So we'll times it by 2 after. So I'll put this answer right here, and then that'll tell me how many. So 6 times 8 is what?
48.
48. Okay, and 48 times 2 equals what? 48 times 2. I can just write it over here. 8 times 2 is what?
9.
16. 8 times 2 is 16, right?
Yes.
Okay. 4 times 2 is what? 8 plus 1 is 9. I know some of you jumped ahead. So 96. So here we have 96 ounces. 96. Can't see that very well. So we have 96 ounces. Is 96 ounces more or less than 60 ounces?
More.
More. So this is greater than. Okay, here, this one is easy for number 12. It's just asking for pints to quarts. How many pints are in a quart?
2.
There are 2, so we're just going to do 2 times 8, and that is what?
16.
So 16 pints equals how many, or equals 16 pints. Perfect. Okay, let's look at number 14. A chef, let's do cube, ready, go. A chef makes 1.5 gallons of soup in a large pot. How many 1-cup servings can the chef get from this large pot of soup? Okay, it makes 1.5 gallons. We need to know how many cups are in a gallon. So how many cups?
16.
Good. Okay, so we have 16. Now what's half of a gallon? How many cups are in half of a gallon?
8.
Yeah, 8. So let's do 16 plus 8 is what?
16 plus
8 plus 6 is what, everybody?
24.
8 plus 6. What's 8 plus 6? It's what? 14. Add the 1, and that's 24. Okay, so there are 24 cups. So the question, let's make sure we got it right. How many 1-cup servings can the chef get from this large pot of soup? 24 cups. Good job.